In a remote corner of the village, a husband and wife live inside a cave. They spend their days there in peace and happiness, living a simple life much like people did in ancient times. The husband is leaving for the market, and the wife gently walks beside him to see him off, saying goodbye with warmth and care. When the man came to the market, he saw a snake charmer performing and stopped to watch the show. Suddenly, the snake became aggressive and wrapped around a man. The husband bravely risked his life, caught the snake, and gave it back to the snake charmer. Now that the shopping is done, the husband is making his way back to their home inside the cave. The husband tells his wife to keep preparing all the ingredients for cooking, while he heads out to gather some fresh drumsticks from their moringa tree. While climbing the moringa tree, the man suddenly comes face to face with a venomous snake glaring at him in an aggressive way. Startled and frightened, he quickly scrambles down the tree and gets badly hurt in the process. With all the cooking finally complete, the wife lovingly serves her husband a special soup and rice. After he finishes his meal, she will quietly sit down and enjoy hers as well.